I've just jumped on Ellie and it's starting to piss down rain. It's actually getting a bit bad now. I might have to take this saddle off and see what she does if I ride her in the rain. She does not like the rain, so she might not like being ridden in the rain. Good girl. And yeah, well, so I don't know if it's worth wrecking my saddle. I mean, it's not a heavy rain. My arse is covering most of my saddle, but I just want to test and see. And whoa, no, we're getting a pretty heavy rain now. I think I'm going to take this off. Whoa, yep, we're going to stop. It's too heavy. Right, I'm going to have to get this out of here. Saddle.